Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can stake on your Etoro. If you don't already know, stake simply means owning a certain part of a certain company, and to own something you need to buy it first. So to stake a company or to buy something, you just need to open up an Etoro account. After that, search for the company or any kind of coins, crypto they want to stake on, or simply go into Discover option. If you go into the Discover option, from here you'll be able to select all the stocks, all the crypto, all the ETFs that you want to stake on. Simply find the one that you're interested in and click on it. After doing so, you can see that you'll be on this kind of screen. From here, simply click on trade, and after clicking on trade, you can see that this kind of option will appear. From here, you can simply put in the amount of stake you want, or if you click this arrow button, you can see units of the stake that you want to buy. After you're satisfied with the amount or with the units, simply click on buy and you'll be able to stake on that particular stocks or crypto. This is for this video, and that's how you can stake on your Etoro. I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review as for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.